are back in my Keto kitchen, and I thought, what a perfect thing to make for a Sunday morning. I'm going to do lemon blueberry muffins with a lemon glaze. It's the lemon time of year. I bought a bunch of lemons the other day, and I'm making my homemade limoncello keto watt. And when that is ready, I will show you how I do that. So I had a lot of lemons and I juiced them, and this is all the juice I got from the lemons. So we're going to be using lemon juice for a while until this is all used up, and then we'll go on to other things. However, for the lemon muffins or cupcakes or however, you have 6 egg whites, and I like my egg whites cold. Mine don't whip up well if they're not cold. To that, I add 27 grams of egg white powder and a teaspoon of gelatin. Also, it whips up a little better with some sweetener. I'm using Better Stevia French Vanilla. You could also use Better Stevia Lemon Twist, but I'm going to be using enough lemon, so I'm going to use the vanilla for this. And for it's just one long squirt. Now I'm going to whip this up. What I usually do when I whip up egg whites and I'm using egg white powder, I like to stir it in somewhat first, and that way you don't get lumps. It mixes together very well. All right, so now we're going to whip this up to a stiff peak. It can take up to 6 minutes, so we'll see how this goes. That's not quite stiff peak, but right now, what I forgot to tell you was make sure that your beater and your bowl are clean. There's no grease. I usually wipe mine off with either lemon juice or vinegar. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of lemon extract and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And the reason you don't add them in the beginning is it won't whip up. I tried it. I've tried perfecting this several times, and you just have to add it either right after it's all whipped or just before it's all whipped. As you can see, it's already deflating it. I'm going to whip it up a little more, and then I'm going to add in the egg yolks. So both the egg yolks and the lemon juice will deflate it a bit. So now we have the oven at 325 degrees. We're going to put it in some muffin tins. I'm going to make 6 or 8. I'm not quite sure how many. If I were making this into a loaf, it would be about 7 or 8 slices. So it will deflate some once it's cooked. But I'm also going to add frozen blueberries. And I wanted them frozen because if they were thawed out, they'd be too juicy. Just add a few blueberries. Now we'll top them off. This might make more than 6. Oh yeah, I could make 8, so I might make 8 actually. Now if you wanted these for precision protein sparing days, you would not add the egg yolks and you would not add the blueberries. Now these go in a 325 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'll try it at 20 and we'll see where we are. So while the muffins are in the oven and we're waiting for them to cook, I'm going to make the glaze. And I'm going to make a lemon glaze since this is lemon cupcakes. You can make glaze other flavors, but for this I have in here a tablespoon of xylitol and a teaspoon of gelatin. I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a tablespoon of water, and we're going to heat this until everything dissolves. So all the xylitol is dissolved. So if you did not want to make lemon, you just add more water. So it's a water and a sugar mixture, which is the glaze. And I added the gelatin because sometimes they used corn, all the recipes I saw used cornstarch. Cornstarch is not keto, so we don't use cornstarch, so I put in a little gelatin. Someday, since we prefer stevia, I might just make it with liquid stevia and add a little more gelatin to make it thicker. So once this dissolves, we'll take it off the burner. We'll let it cool. We'll see how long it takes before the muffins come out. The muffins, I don't really want to put this on the muffins when they are hot, so I'll let them cool a bit. So I might actually put this in the refrigerator to cool this down to make it thicken up. So I'm dissolving xylitol. Any granular sweetener will do. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a tablespoon of water and a teaspoon of gelatin. So I'm going to heat this up till it's all dissolved. Take it off the burner, let it cool before I put it over the muffins. Well, I took them out of the oven, the lemon blueberry muffins. They look so good. So these are just 4. Here are the other 8 on a plate. Yes, they fell a little bit, but oh, I tasted a crumb. It tasted so good. The glaze is still thin. I didn't put it in the refrigerator. I will put it in the refrigerator. I don't really like a lot of glaze. I don't like a lot of sugary, sweet things. I will put a little bit of glaze on it just to try it out. But I will put the rest of the glaze in the refrigerator and glaze some of them later. But I cannot wait to taste this. Again, if you want this for precision PSMF days, don't add the blueberries, don't add the egg yolks, but this is a perfect breakfast. It's a perfect dessert. Oh, I can't wait. This is such a light and refreshing muffin. It's not heavy. It doesn't have nut flour in it. It's not going to be overpowering. Oh, this is just so good. You really, really have to try this. I am so in love with lemon lately. So, enjoy.